Mike, what do you want to do today? Oh, you want to put your arm out the sunroof?
The new drone.
Oh. What color is it?
Blue.
Oh, so it's gotta be good then.
Has to be.
Cool. So we got the beacon plugged in. And it says it's ready to fly, so is your arm even long enough? Do you need a ladder?
Yeah, you got a 2-foot ladder?
It always takes its time to start. Okay, should be starting. Let it go. Alright. So I'm not doing anything. And it found us. So that's good. Now we'll tell it to be in front of us. Because that's cool. Now, it's sitting very low. I have that height floor, they call it, turned off. So height floor makes the drone hover at least 8 foot. But it's far away. We don't want that. So, no. Don't follow this guy. It's slow. Okay. Yeah. Go, 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 go. Works good so far. I think we want it further away. Maybe. Back off.
There we go. Where is it?
Behind us.
Signal lost.
Subject. That's not cool. You can't lose us. You're supposed to have GPS and everything.
High winds.
I don't give a fuck. Just follow. High winds. Okay. Still there? There you go. That's awesome. They need to build one of those things that does like, it doesn't have to do 100. It should do like, I don't know, 60.
Go.
We're asking a bit too much then, I guess.
What?
We're asking a bit too much.
Just because it's super windy tonight.
Yeah. Did it get that?
Yeah.
There you go.
Low battery.
Yeah.
Landing in 1 minute.
Whoa! Give me. Where is it?
Oh, it's right there.
Probably not the best day for testing a drone today. It's kind of windy. We didn't lose it. It didn't crash. It didn't lose us. So
Just try round 2.
not as bad. Yep. Yeah, buddy. So the cool thing when it starts with the beacon, you don't have to tell it where you are or what you are or what your shape is or if you're a human or a car. it just finds the first thing that it wants to track, and then it just does that. You don't have to do anything. You launch it, and that's it. So now we're gonna go down the hill. I have no idea which way the wind blows, but might be better, might be worse. Still there?
Yeah.
There you go.
You're going slow.
It's awesome. Oh yeah. That's me. That's what I do. Try to put it in the front again. I want to see how that works. Or like front right maybe. Front right and a right turn should be good, because then it's got to go backwards and I don't know. That's not acceptable. We're not doing that. Now it's doing better, I feel like. The beeping noise where Stefan messed up the turn?
I can't see you right now. Oh, there we go.
There you go. Pretty good.
Got so close to that cactus.
Well, living life on the edge, man.
It was moving sideways the very last second.
Still doing bad. I'm doing 30. It's still ahead of us. 33. Look at that. It's cool. 33. 34. Let's try 34. 35.
It's right on top of us.
Yeah. It's cool. Which direction is it set now? Is it set to front?
Front, yeah.
Cool. fact that the beacon has GPS. I mean, yeah, high winds and we're going too fast, but it's still kind of okay. I'm not scared that it'll just like land somewhere or whatever. I just pressed the button and it found us, and look, there's a diamond on the truck. How much do you think that's worth? Can we sell that? And look at the color. What color is it?